Step into Paraty, a timeless coastal town where whitewashed colonial buildings line cobblestone streets against a backdrop of lush rainforest. Here you can stroll through history in the old town, marvel at centuries-old churches, and soak up the lively atmosphere of art galleries and boutiques. Pristine tropical beaches and secluded islands await just offshore, perfect for sunbathing or snorkeling in crystal-clear waters. Savor fresh seafood moquecas and caipirinhas at bustling harbor restaurants. Paraty offers the perfect blend of adventure, culture, and relaxation.